Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see the basic React application, how to set up the develop environment for the React application. We are going to see that. For that, we need three things. The first one is the Node package manager or Node.js. So we can install it from the nodejs.org and also the code editor of your choice. I prefer the Visual Studio Code and we can install it from the code.visualstudiocode.com. The final one is the create react app, which is a command line interface. With the help of this, we can quickly set up our React application and also we can make this React application runnable with a single command called npm start. To use this create react app command, we need a npm or npx, which are the npm means node package manager, npx means node package runners. These two are available when you install the node.js. That's why I asked you to install the node.js. So after installing the node.js and the Visual Studio Code, then open your cmd and come to the folder where you want to install your React application and type the command called npx create react app and space give your project name. I am giving the project name as hello world and press enter. It will take us about 5 to 6 minutes to install to set up the entire project. So wait for until the project setup was completed, and we will go and explore the what are the things in the present in the project setup. So make sure that your project name should not be start with the capital letters. So that's why this error came. So change the your project name. Make sure that your project name has all letters are small. If you see this message happy hacking, then treat that our project is completely created successfully. So to enter into that project, make the we need to type the cd and the name of the project that you given to the your project role and enter into that and code dot. If you perform this code dot, this project will be opened into the Visual Studio Code. This is the shortcut to open the this project in the Visual Studio Code, or otherwise you can open the Visual Studio Code and select your project folder from there also. There is no problem with that. These are the basic folders and files that are come in the React project when you create with the create React app command line interface. So first we run the this basic project. After that we'll explore the what are these public folder and src folder and also these files. So for that we need to open the command line in the Visual Studio Code. For that it's a shortcut called control and backtick. So if you press the control and backtick in Visual Studio Code, command line will be opened and we need to do a simple command called npm start. It starts our project and opens the whatever the UI present in that project in the browser automatically. We don't need to do anything. We just has to type npm start. That's it, and wait for 2 to 3 seconds based on your laptop configuration. It will open up quickly, or so it will take some time. This is the basic thing that present in the our basic React application. So we will change this to the hello world message. So to do that, we need to enter into the src folder. In that, app.js. From there we will remove all this learn react, or seeing that learn react. So we are editing this and we will writing the hello world message and save it and go to the browser. We'll see the hello world message. Hello world, welcome to React. This is our project, basic React project setup, and we will see the folder structure in detail in the next video. Thank you for watching.